Alright guys, welcome to another section of today's tutorial. My name is Imad Brian. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how I turn this image over here to this other image you can see here. You can see the difference. The acne in the skin has left. Skin is now clear. So I achieved this using my smartphone. I used Snapseed and Remini app. So let's get started. So once you get to your Snapseed, just click on the plus icon, then click on the image. This was an image I got from Instagram. I just screenshotted it. So let's crop the image. Sorry about that. Just click on tools, then go to crop. Just crop the image. Okay, this is good. So click on tools again, then click on healing. Just click on healing. So after clicking on healing, then you just zoom in to spot out the spots. Just keep just tap on where you want the spots to live. You can see it's gradually removing it. Just keep doing it. Continue. Make sure you do it to your taste. Just keep repeating it. You can actually achieve a lot using this Snapseed mobile app. Okay, share that please. So, okay. So this was the image before. This is the after. So let's continue till we are satisfied. So repeat the same process to click on healing. Yeah. Just keep doing it. Not satisfied yet. Okay, think we are good. Just click on the good icon, then click on tools again. Go to portrait. Yeah, portrait. Then you click on this icon over here. Click on skin smoothing. Then you adjust it. So click on face spotlight. Adjust it a little also. Eye clarity a little bit. Okay, then we go to details. Let's increase the structure a little bit. Yeah, okay, I think this is good. We are good to go. You can export your image now. I can decide to leave this photo like this, but I'm not satisfied yet. So I have to go to Remini. Just search Remini. Yeah, sorry about that. Just search Remini. So this was the photo. Sorry about that. The ads always comes with the app. There are lots of ads, you know. So just this was the image we just finished editing. Just click on the image, then click on enhance with ads. The app isn't free. You have to watch an advert to be able to unlock it.
Here's how I received 600,000 naira in just 10 minutes with this app, Money. We know how tedious and stressful getting a normal loan can be. So this is a very easy and reliable solution. Money is an app that provides quick and trouble-free loans to allow people, and it is currently trusted by 5 million.
Okay, done. Can see can see the difference. So just adjust the slider to the left. Then you click on the download button.
Want an easy way
You
to
also have
invest
to
in
watch an ad
crypto?
to be able to
Here's
download
one
it.
with 4 steps. Let's go. Step 1, download Luno. Step 2, sign up. Step
Okay. Alright, it has saved to our gallery. So let me show you guys what we have just done. You can see the edited image which we just did and the former image. So if you found this video helpful, do endeavor to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos so you get notified when we post any other video. Alright, bye.